Exploding X-rays! Someone needs my help! Exciting X to the rescue! I must stop doing that. My X, it's a... Plus! Plusman to the rescue!
X?
Plusman, actually. I'm a new addition to the team.
I'm doing a treasure hunt and need to find something with 5 points. Can you help?
Leave this to me.
Ah. Star.
5 points. Problem solved.
Not really. The thing I'm looking for lives underwater.
I know something that lives underwater.
Fish.
Your worries are over.
But I need something that lives underwater and has 5 points.
You mean something like a star and a fish? I've got it. Stand back, Alphablocks. Plus. Star plus fish makes...
Star. Fish. Starfish. That's right. A starfish. Thank you, Plusman.
My work here is done. So long, Alphablocks.
Come back, sheep! Please come back!
Sheep on the loose? An unhelpful dog? This looks like a job for Plusman! Plus. Sheep plus dog makes...
Sheep. Dog. Sheepdog.
You've done it again, Plusman.
At last! We need to take this food on a picnic, but we've got nothing to carry it in.
Lunch? Nothing to carry it in. You need a handbag. No, a flower pot. No, a... Whoa!
Look out for the banana skin!
Ow! My head! Relax, X-Fans. I'm back. And I know how to fix this. Box.
But this box is full of bandages. That's no good for carrying food. It does have a cool plus on it, though. Plusman would know how to help us. He's my hero.
Plusman? What an extremely silly name. What exciting things can he do?
He can link things together. He's lovely.
I can do that without even flexing a muscle.
No, you can't.
Lunch plus box makes...
Lunch.
Box.
Lunchbox.
Brilliant. It's good to have you back, old buddy. I never doubted you, X. Banana,